Loose. Oh my gosh. Y'all see my glow? Look at my. Y'all see sis glow? Y'all see my glow? Like, it's popping. Everything's popping. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Beauty, and I'm back with another video. As you can tell from the title, I'll be doing the everyday makeup glam for you guys. Okay, if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching this video.
Yeah, flex, I'm on the move. Drip, I got the juice. Flex, bitch, I'm the boss. Drip, I got the sauce. Flex, fuck what it costs. Yeah, checks, I'm the boss.
Alright guys, so first I'll be taking my eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown and filling in my brows. Then I'll be taking the back of my eyebrow pencil, the spoolie part, and blending my brows in, because I hate to see the arch line and the boxy shape in the front of my brows. Next, I'll be taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Taffy and just outlining the shape in my eyebrows in the shape that I wanted to. And this is a great way to clean up your eyebrows also. Now I'll be taking a damp beauty blender and blending in my concealer, and yes, I dragged my concealer down to my eyelids just so it could even out. Now I'll be using my Wet n Wild primer to prime my entire face. Now I'll be taking my Sephora foundation in the color Forest Deep. And this is a really great foundation. It gives you full coverage, which I like because most foundations do not give you full coverage. Another good foundation is Maybelline Fix Me. That's also a great foundation that gives you full coverage. Now I'll be using my Rimmel concealer in the shade Amber. I'll be taking a damp beauty blender and blending in my concealer. I do not press too hard on my face when I'm blending in my concealer. Next, I'll be taking my Ulta Beauty Face Sculpting Stick in the shade Deep Cool. And I use this to contour my face. Now I'm blending in my concealer with a beauty blender, and I make sure the beauty blender is really damp so that it could blend seamlessly. Now I'll be using my Airspun Loose Face Powder to set under my eyes, and I don't put much. I do not like baking because I feel like baking gives you a lot of flashback if you do not blend in well. So I just pat it on with a damp beauty blender. Now I'm taking my NYX Face Sculpting Palette in the shade Deep, and I'm using my e.l.f. brush in the number 101. Now these lashes that I'll be putting on in this video was I purchased it a long time ago, so I really don't know where I purchased it from, like the exact place, but if I do, I will put it in the description. And I know a lot of people will be wondering why you didn't use a tweezer, but I'm comfortable with using my fingers. I do not like to use a tweezer because I'm like so scared that the tweezer will bore me in my eyes, so I'm just comfortable using my fingers, and that's what I'm gonna use. Use what you're comfortable using. You don't have to do the same steps that I do. Just do what you're comfortable doing. So yeah, on to the next, and it's all about the highlights. If you don't have no highlight, do not talk to me. If your face do not shine, do not talk to me. If your face is not glowing, do not talk to me. I'm just joking. But this highlight is from Over, and oh my gosh, y'all, oh my gosh, watch it, watch it me glow, watch it my face shine. Yes sis, yes, more for the people, more. Now I'll be taking my Morphe palette and going in with the shade Hot Glam, and I'll be doing in the inner corner of my eyes to give it a little bit of pop. Even though it's a glam look, I still want a little bit of pop. I'll also be putting some on my brow bone because you cannot go wrong if you don't use this. You need that. Yes sis. Now I'll be going in with my Ruby Kisses Juicy Lip Gloss, because you know your girl love lip gloss. This is the finished look. It's not too much. It's not too simple. It's still like ooh. Like I don't know what it's. But this is the finished look, you guys. I'm so excited. I'm loving it. Like my hair lasted, y'all, and this is like what week? This is like the 4th day, and my hair still looks good. So if you like to see how I got my hair like this, I'll leave the link in the description below. Go check that out. And yeah, yo, I feel like